School is easy for some, harder for others, and the more you fall behind, the harder it becomes. But it doesn't have to be this way. Some students need a helping hand, and MeDent Tutorials is here to help. We offer tutoring services for students in high school, college, IELTS, medical school, and preparing for licensure examinations. Whether you need subject-specific help or strategies that apply to all your subjects, we have tutoring services to match. We offer online tutoring, custom tutoring plans, one-on-one tutoring, and IELTS tutoring. Our individualized tutoring plans are suitable for test preparation, general studies, licensure exams, university admissions, and other scenarios where you need an academic edge. Ready to improve your academic abilities not just for now, but for your entire academic career? Contact us today to learn more.